Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to juice rhubarb. Here I have 6 stalks of rhubarb, but we're going to use just 4 of this. We also have 4 green apples that we are going to use. This is the one that will make our rhubarb juice sweeter. You can use any kinds of apple, whatever you have that is available at home. Now we are all set. The 2 ingredients that we need are already clean, the rhubarb, and also our 4 green apples. Rhubarb is a vegetable grown for its thick, sour stalk, which are usually eaten after being cooked with sugar. Due to its sour taste, it's rarely eaten raw. Rhubarb juice can use on its own or mix with other fresh juice. We need to wash the rhubarb thoroughly, removing the leaves as they are not safe for consumption. When juice is extracted, it is generally consumed raw. To make it tasty, you should mix it with some other juice. And for today, we mix it with green apples. Rhubarb juice contains important minerals like potassium, phosphorus, sodium, copper, and zinc. It also contains good amount of vitamin B complex. It is also an excellent source of vitamin K. The apple here is a good source of fiber and vitamin C. It also promotes heart health in several ways. Now we are done. Here is the color of our rhubarb juice. It is ready to serve. Looks so good. Alright guys, this is it for today. Hope you learned something with my video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be updated every time I uploaded a new video. Thank you.